They come and live in our lives, in our homes, and share our Christmases, our Easters, our holidays, and we live and work around them, and they live and work around us, and we just knit together nicely. Any hiccups, we can always talk to our support worker. I've had Matty through a private fostering agency from the age of, he just turned 17. But then he was getting to the point where he can't be with the fostering any longer because of his age. And I was looking around thinking, what the heck am I going to do? Thankfully, a social worker that knew about shared lives put me in touch with Powys Shared Lives. They came along to the house, chatted to us, spoke to Matty. It was all set up from there. I followed smoothly from foster caring into shared lives. I got support 24/7, even if it's 3 o'clock on a bank holiday Monday morning. You know, I've got out of hours. It's the support, I think. I know I'm not on my own. My advice is, think it through carefully. It will affect your daily life, but it's not insurmountable. It works. It does what it says on the tin. We shared lives, Powys. We share our lives with lots of other vulnerable adults, and you can gain such a lot from it.